Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will help you to gain weight, because I've actually been doing a lot of video about losing weight, losing belly fat, but this homemade remedy would help you to gain an healthy weight. What I mean by healthy weight is that it's going to, this is going to help you store fat in those particular areas in which you want, or in which it should be. Okay, so that's it. Let's dive into the video so you know what all of the ingredients are. All right, thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. To gain an healthy weight, guys, you're gonna be needing to consume all of this at a go, and at 3 times in a week, or 4 to 5 times in a week, and you're going to gain a lot and lots of healthy weights. Now you're gonna be needing banana. Now banana helps so much for weight gain because it fills the stomach, so it's going to help you to gain weight. You're also gonna be needing avocado. Now, avocado is an healthy ingredient that helps you gain weight and makes you look really pretty. So it's going to help you to increase the elasticity on your skin, and it's also going to flourish your skin and body. So the next one, we're going to be needing some powdered milk, or you can use some liquid milk, okay, anyone you grab. And this is actually very important because it helps you get fat very easy, and it also makes your stomach really filled up. And then we're going to be needing egg. Now for you to gain an healthy weight, you would have to eat boiled egg. Now this is a boiled egg, okay? You don't need to eat fried egg and all of those fried stuff, but of course you need some boiled egg to get some healthy weight. So the next one we are going to be needing is granite. Now you can either use granite or peanuts or any other nut, but granite is very perfect because it's very great. It helps you glow. It also makes you go fast, mixing it with milk alongside with banana. So you're gonna take some banana. You can take as much banana as you would want, okay, for this. So you're gonna just cut the banana in pieces, then you transfer that into a blender. Just like I'm doing. You can use as much banana as you please. So the next one you're gonna do is to put in the avocado, and I'm gonna be cutting the avocado into 2. I'm gonna be putting in just the avocado meat. So we're gonna be taking all of the avocado meats, so the next thing to put in the powdered milk. The nut has to be inclusive. And then you break in the egg. It has to be boiled egg, guys. Also, if you can actually take raw egg, if you can stand the taste of raw egg, you can also take raw egg. Okay, so we're gonna be cutting in the egg. After doing that, then you can put in some clean purified water to blend. All right, so this is it, and healthy fat gaining remedy. Okay, if you want to gain healthy fat, guys, drink this every day. Now you're not only going to gain weight, you are going to be looking really beautiful, and your skin is gonna be glowing like really well. Okay, drink this morning, drink this in the night, and eat your healthy food. You're gonna gain a lot of weight, and yeah guys, you are gonna be looking really beautiful. So let me take and tell you how it does it. It's yummy. It's really yummy, and it tastes like wow. So it's something that you can actually take every day because it tastes really nice, and you're gonna love it. Okay, so go take this and gain a healthy fat where you want to gain those fats. So this is actually very delicious. It tastes really good, it tastes really nice, and it's gonna do all of the magic, all of the job, and you are going to be loving it. Okay, so that's it guys. Go continue taking it, and do not take some of those unhealthy food so that you would have to gain weight healthily, meaning that you have to gain weight at the right places. Okay, and it's going to be wonderful for you. So that's it guys. If you do enjoy watching the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.